macronutrient protein. After water, protein is most abundant substance found in our bodies. Beside water, 75% of your body is made up of amino acids, protein. To use protein effectively, we use fuel in form of good carbs and good fats. Functions of protein. 1. Protein build and repair muscles, hairs, nails, skin, blood cells and even bones. 2. Protein help us grow. 3. Protein provides structure to every cell in the body. Keratin is a protein found in your hair, nails and skin. It gives structure to these body parts. 4. Regulate body processes. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reaction in the body. Without them, the basic activities like breaking down of food you eat could happen too slowly. Think of enzymes as proteins that shift your body process into high gears. 5. Hormone production. Hormones are also proteins that regulate activity of cells and organs. Hormones are like chemical messengers. They carry orders from one part of body to another. Insulin is a hormone that regulates sugar by carrying message to your body cells about how much sugar is present in blood. 6. Protein form antibodies that help prevent infection, illness and disease by fighting against germs. 7. Proteins also transport materials like hemoglobin, carry oxygen to your red blood cells. 8. Protein can also be broken down to be used as fuel, energy as its last function. Primary fuel, energy is carbohydrates. But if your diet does not provide enough fuel, protein can be used as energy. Calories in protein. There are 4 calories in 1 gram of protein. Sources of protein: meat, poultry, fish, cheese, nuts, seeds, milk, eggs, yogurt, little bit in fruits and vegetables. It is very essential for consuming protein on daily basis. When you eat protein like an egg, your body breaks down the protein during digestion into amino acids. There are 20 different types of amino acids. There are 9 essential amino acids, 11 non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those that your body do not produce itself. Our body needs both essential and non-essential amino acids to function properly. Foods that have all 9 essential amino acids are called complete protein sources, such as meat, fish, poultry, eggs, milk, cheese. Typically, protein from plant sources are called incomplete protein. They don't contain all 9 essential amino acids. Proteins such as nuts, grain and legumes. You can combine incomplete proteins to make it complete protein sources, such as mixing rice and beans. Both are incomplete, but combining them make them complete protein sources. Make sure you eat variety of protein each day. Recommended dose. According to WHO and National Academy of Science, RDA for protein is 0.8 grams to 1 gram per kilogram body weight. Non-active person 0.8 grams per kilogram. Intermediate active person 1 gram per kilogram. Advanced active person 1.5 to 2 grams. People who do intensive workout. Protein use according to your weight, height, activity level daily. A cup of milk equals 8 to 12 grams of protein. 3 ounces of meat equal the size of a computer mouse equals 20 to 25 grams of protein. Keep in mind your body can consume 20 grams protein at a time. It is better to eat smaller quantities throughout the day. If you consume too much of protein, can lead dehydration, heart disease, kidney problem, fatigue, hypertension. So it is recommended to use it in recommended quantities.